Welcome to Infotainment Channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the subconscious mind, exploring the incredible insights found in Joseph Murphy's timeless book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. In our fast-paced lives, we often underestimate the influence of our subconscious on our thoughts, actions, and ultimately, our destinies. But within the pages of this book lies a treasure trove of wisdom that can transform the way we perceive and harness the power of our inner mind. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the book's chapters, breaking down its key concepts, sharing real-life examples, and offering practical insights that you can apply to your own life. By the end of this video, you'll have a profound understanding of how your subconscious mind works and how to unlock its potential for positive change. So, if you're ready to tap into the miracle-working power of your subconscious, hit that subscribe button, and let's begin our exploration of The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. In the book, Murphy talks at length about the power and underutilization of the subconscious mind. He first draws on the examples of two types of people, that which he calls the magnetized man, who's full of confidence and courage, and the demagnetized man who's full of fear and doubt. The magnetized man will not get very far in life, because if he is afraid to go forward, he will simply stay where he is, become a magnetized man, and discover the master secret of the ages. This, according to Murphy, is largely a conscious decision, and we all have the power to decide the type of person we wish to be. Murphy asserts that the subconscious mind, which is responsible for success, is ultimately programmed by our thought and beliefs. The subconscious mind. The subconscious mind, as described in The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, is a part of your mind that operates below your conscious awareness. It's like a powerful computer that stores all your beliefs, memories, and past experiences. According to the book, the subconscious mind plays a crucial role in shaping your thoughts, behaviors, and even your reality. It can either work for you by reinforcing positive beliefs and goals, or against you if filled with negative thoughts and doubts. Understanding and harnessing the power of your subconscious mind is central to the book's teachings, as it suggests that by reprogramming your subconscious with positive beliefs, you can improve various aspects of your life. Belief and visualization. Belief. Murphy emphasizes the importance of having strong and positive beliefs about what you want to achieve. He suggests that if you genuinely believe in something, your subconscious mind will work tirelessly to make it a reality. This means that having faith in your goals and dreams is a crucial first step in harnessing the power of your subconscious mind. Visualization. Visualization is the practice of creating mental images of your desired outcomes. Murphy advises readers to vividly imagine their goals as if they have already been accomplished. By consistently visualizing your success and the fulfillment of your desires, you impress these images onto your subconscious mind, which then seeks to align your actions and thoughts with these mental pictures. In summary, belief and visualization in the context of this book involve cultivating unwavering faith in your goals and using the power of your imagination to create clear, positive mental images of your desired outcomes. These techniques are believed to activate your subconscious mind and help you achieve what you believe and visualize. Affirmations. Murphy introduces the concept of affirmations, positive statements repeated consistently to change your beliefs and thought patterns, healing and health. The book delves into using the power of your mind to heal physical and mental ailments. Murphy believes that the subconscious can influence health and wellness, wealth and success. The author asserts that you can attract wealth and success by reprogramming your subconscious mind with positive beliefs about money and achievement. Relationships. Murphy discusses how to improve relationships by changing your thought patterns and expectations, leading to better communication and understanding. Overcoming fears. The book provides techniques for overcoming fears and phobias by reprogramming the subconscious with courage and confidence. Spiritual growth. Murphy also touches on spiritual growth and the idea that connecting with your subconscious can lead to a deeper understanding of yourself and your purpose in life. Overall, the power of your subconscious mind encourages readers to harness the potential of their subconscious mind to achieve personal growth, success, and well-being through positive thinking, belief, and visualization. It emphasizes the importance of programming the subconscious with constructive ideas and attitudes to shape a more fulfilling life. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. We hope you found this video both informative and inspiring. Remember, the knowledge within this book is not just for passive consumption, but for practical application in your daily life. The true power lies in taking these insights and implementing them to create positive changes, achieve your goals, and lead a more fulfilling life. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content on personal development, psychology, and self-improvement, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Infotainment channel. Your support means the world to us, and it keeps us motivated to bring you valuable content. Feel free to share your thoughts, questions, or experiences with the power of the subconscious mind in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you and engage in meaningful discussions. As always, stay curious, keep learning, and never underestimate the incredible potential that lies within your subconscious mind. Until next time, take care, and remember that your mind is a powerful tool for creating the life you desire. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.